Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Mashur, graphics trainer. Today I will show you how to make a boat and water using with rectangle and zigzag effect. So let's start. First I will make a blank document. So I am going to File, Document Setup, Edit Artboard. Just duplicate the artboard. Just duplicate it. Now I delete everything. Now it is a blank document. So first I will take a rectangle tool. So I go to toolbar and take a rectangle tool from here. Then I make the color none. I will give a stroke color. Just you can resize it. So I take the rectangle. Now I will draw the shape of a boat. So how it can possible? So first you will go to direct selection. You will take the direct selection tool and click this point and this point. Now drag it a little so it look like a boat. So again I will take anchor point tool and drag it so it look like a boat shape. Now I will give the color. So now I will make the water. So how can it possible? You will take first pen tool and make a line, click stroke, make the stroke width 5 pt to 6 pt, it's okay. Now duplicate the line shape, make it little bigger with 10 pt. Now I will provide a effect. So I will go to Effect, Distort Transform, Zigzag. Okay, I am showing it to you again. Effect, Distort and Transform, Zigzag. Then zigzag dialog box will open. There you will see smooth radio checkbox. Just click here and make the zigzag level up and down, so you will understand which is better for you. Then you will click OK. So I will now go to Object, Path, outline the stroke. So it is so now you can give any color to it. We get the water effect. So now I will copy the water, copy the whole water. Now I will go to stroke again, give 20 or 30, pt or 40 pt. Okay, stroke. Then I will go Object, Path, outline stroke. I will go to Pathfinder, and click the divide button, then click unite button and give a color to it. Then I will paste the water which I previously copied, Ctrl V, not Ctrl F. So now it looks like a now I will select the boat and the background white shape which I create. Then I will go to divide, then I will make the color from my color palette. Now it looks like a boat. You can give any color. Now I will make a paddle. Just take a stroke. I will give the stroke 5 or 10 pt width. I will go to Object, Path, outline stroke. Then again I will go to Pathfinder and unite it, so you can give a color to it. So now I will take a rectangle shape for the paddle. Then I will select these 2 points and make it round something. Then I will take a pen tool and click here and here. Then it looks like a paddle shape. So this is the boat and water effect. I just complete this tutorial. Hope you enjoy the video. Thank you.